Get into a car with value. 2021 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 35,000 miles on the give yourself the quality and comfort you deserve with this refined Hyundai Tucson. Meticulously constructed, smooth riding, and equipped with standard driver assist safety features, this compact crossover has what you need to get the most out of every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, power driver's seat, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.